Good afternoon, everyone. How are you today? Say loudly, I am fine. Thank you. Say loudly, I am fine. Thank you. Okay, now, which period is this? Tell me, which period is this? This is English period. Which period is this? English period. And in which class you are? In which class you are studying? Yes, tell me, say loudly. You have to say loudly. In which class you are studying? Say, I am studying in LKG class. I am studying in class LKG. You have to say loudly. I am studying in class LKG. We are repeating every day your class, in which class you are studying and how are you. Okay, now tell me, what is the name of your school? What is the name of your school? So how you will say? The name of my school is Gokuldas Public School. How you will say? The name of my school is Gokuldas Public School. Okay, and where is your school? Say, my school is in Khargone. Where is your school? In Khargone. My school is in Khargone. Very good. Okay, my dears. So, before starting our class, let's have some fun. Water, let's have some fun. So, all of you, raise your right hand down. Now, raise your left hand down. Right. Raise your right hand. Very good. Raise your left hand. Very good. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Now, right. Left. Right. Left. Left. Right. Left. Right. Right. Yes. Good. You have done some exercise. Very good. Clap your hands. Very good. Now all of you sit properly and fold your hands. What you will do? You will sit properly, fold your hands and look at the board. Okay? Yes. Very good, my sweet children. My sweet kid, lovely kids. Okay, now we have learned phonics sound from letter A to P. Okay, today we will learn phonics sound of letter Q and phonics sound of letter R. What we will learn today? We will learn phonics sound of letter Q and phonics sound of letter R. Okay. Now all of you look here. Q for queen. Q for question mark. Look, what is this? This is a question mark. Q for queen. Q for question mark. Q for quack. What does duck say? Quack, quack. What does duck say? Quack, quack. So Q for quack. Q for quail. Q for quiet. Quiet. Quiet means chup. Quiet means chup. Ekdam chup. Quiet. Okay, teacher say na. All of you keep quiet. Yes. Quiet means chup. Quiet. Q for quiet. Q for Q. Q for Q. Q means walk in a proper line. Proper रो में चलना उसे क्या बोलते हैं? Q. Q for Q. Q for queen. Q for question mark. Q for quack. Q for quill. Q for quiet. Q for Q. Okay. Now we will learn sound of Q. It's a dog have their sound, cat have their sound, everybody have their, and अभी म्यूजिक सिस्टम तबला have their sound. ये सबके अलग अलग साउंड होते हैं. वैसे ही लेटर्स के भी साउंड्स होते हैं. The dog बाक करता है, कैट मियाओ करती है, उसी तरह क्यू का भी साउंड है और आर का. सारे लेटर्स के साउंड होते हैं. A to Z. All letters have their own sound. Okay? All letters have their own sound. So today we will learn sound of letter Q. Sound of letter Q is Q. Sound of letter Q is Q. Sound of letter Q is Q. Look here. All of you, you have to repeat with me. What you have to do? You have to repeat with me. Okay? Q, Q, Queen. Q, Q, Queen. Some of you, Q, Q, Queen. You have to open. Don't open your lips full. You have to open smaller lips like this, and some air will come out. So you have to say Q. Sound of Q is Q. Sound of Q is Q. Sound of Q is Q. Q, Q, Queen. Q, Q, Queen. Q, Q, question mark. Q, Q, question mark. Q, Q, quill. Q, Q, quill. Q, Q, quill. Q, Q, quiet. Q, Q, quiet. Q, Q, quiet. Okay, all of you. You have to say okay, look here. Yes. Q, Q, Queen. Q, Q, question mark. Q, Q, quack. Q, Q, quack. Q, Q, quill. Q, Q, quill. Q, Q, quiet. Q, Q, quiet. Q, 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 Q. Q means proper. Always teachers say na walk in Q. Yes. So Q, Q, Q. Sorry. Q, Q, Q. Q, 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 Q. Okay. Today we have learned phonics sound of letter Q. Q, Q, Queen. Q, Q, question mark. Q, Q, quack. Q, Q, quill. Q, Q, quiet. Q, Q, Q. Okay. What is this? This is the sound of letter Q. Okay. Now after Q, which letter will come? Letter R. Which letter will come? Letter R. The sound of letter R is 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 R. R, R. Rectangle. R for rectangle. Rectangle देखा है ना हमारा board. Look here. Our board is rectangle shape. Our board is rectangle shape. Our board is rectangle shape. R for rectangle. R for red. R for rainbow. R for rain. R for rose. R for red color. R for red color. Okay. Look here. R for rectangle. R for rat. R for rainbow. R for rain. R for red color. R for rose. R for rose. So, the sound of letter R is R. The sound of letter R is R. The sound of letter R is R. 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 Rectangle. R. R. Rectangle. R. R. Rat. R. R. Rat. R. R. Rat. R. R. Rainbow. R. R. Rainbow. R. R. Rainbow. R. R. Red. R. R. Red. R. R. Rain. R. R. Rain. R. R. Rose. R. R. Rose. Okay. What you have to do? What is the sound of R? What is the sound of letter R? R. What is the sound of letter R? R. What is the sound of letter R? R. 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 Rectangle. R. R. Rat. R. R. Rainbow. R. R. Rainbow. R. R. Rain. R. R. Rain. R. R. Rose. R. R. Rose. R. R. Red. R. R. Red. What we have learned? Today we have learned sound of letter Q and R. The sound of letter Q is quack. The sound of letter Q is quack. And sound of letter R is R. And sound of letter R is R. Q, quack. Queen. Q, quack. Question. Q, quack. Quack. Q, quack. Quail. Q, quack. Quiet. Q, quack. Queen. Sorry. Q. R. R. Rectangle. R. R. Rat. R. R. Rainbow. R. R. Rain. R. R. Red. R. R. Rose. Okay. So what we have learned? We have learned phonics sound of letter Q and R. Very good. Very good, my dears. Okay. So now we will revise all the phonics sound from letter A to R. What we will do? We will revise all the phonics sound from letter Q, A to R. Look here. A, A, B, 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 C, K, C, K, D, 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 E, A, E, A, F, F, J, ch. K, k. K, k. L, l. L, l. M, m. M, m. N, n. N, n. O, o. O, o. P, p. P, p. Q, qu. Q, qu. Q, qu. R, 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 R. Look here. Again we will do, all of you, sister, all of you, fold your hands and repeat after me. All of you have to repeat after me. Okay. What you have to do? You have to repeat after me. Look here. A, aeroplane. Apple. B, bus. Ball. C, cup. Cat. D, doll. Door. E, elephant. Egg. F, fish. Fan. G, glass. Goat. H, house. Horse. Igloo. Insect. Jug. Joker. Kite. Kite. Kangaroo. Lion. Lamb. Monkey. Man. Net. Nose. Ox. Octopus. Pan. Parrot. Quack. Quiet. Rose. Red. Okay. So at home, what you have to do? You have to practice all the phonics sound and you have to send me videos. What you have to do? You have to practice all the phonics sound from letter A to letter R. Okay, from letter A to R, and you have to send me your videos. What you have to send me? Videos of all phonics sound till today I have taught you. Okay? Yes. So, practice at your home. Be safe at your home. Okay? Till then, bye. We will meet in next video. Have a nice day.